Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ready? Tell me about your car.
Well, we tried to detail the interior of the GA with my nephew, so we're gonna try to do the best we can. So we already took out the big stuff, vacuum, wipe it down, and vacuum again. Go ahead and detail it with the brush. We got our brush from Amazon. We're gonna use to get in the cracks and stuff. See if clean. Horsehair brush from Amazon. We have a 16:1 mix with the Chemical Guys citrus all-purpose cleaner, and have regular microfiber towels. So that's pretty much what we use it, and then we're gonna use Mother's leather conditioner, and we have the Chemical Guys leather brush to clean the leather off.
Right.
Somebody's ready though.
Dallas, you ready to clean?
Start. You can start in the front, you can start in the back. It really doesn't matter. It's all however you want to do it. I'm gonna start in the front, and then I'm gonna pull the seats up, start in the back, and then I'm gonna start wiping stuff down. Once I wipe everything down and got it how I wanted to wipe it off, and after that, then I'm gonna vacuum one last time after everything is finished. First, like when I vacuum, I usually do the outside like this, like a rectangle, square, whatever. And then I come back and do the inside of it and get everything on the inside, and then I do the side, and I go in between here and underneath the seat. Ready! High five. Okay, come around. Come around. Alright, so we're gonna be using Chemical Guys Citrus All-Purpose Clean. I got it mixed as 16:1, diluted 16:1 with the product and the water. We got Magic Eraser, and we got the Chemical Guys leather brush. Magic Eraser, it'll get like the scuff marks out, like some of the stuff on this, on the sides, right here on the whatever you call this, I forgot what you call it, the plastic, while your feet be kicking. Still working on all this. Still got to do the other side. I'm gonna show you how to, if you want to clean your hairliner, spray a little bit of all-purpose on there, blot it, spray. Spray a little, I think it's on this brush. And there we go. Same thing. Spray a little bit on there. Alright, so we got it pretty clean. Vacuum one more time. Door clean, do the door jams. And that's pretty much it. All this clean, cup holders clean now. Got a little bit in there, but it'll be alright. We're gonna get that out. And then the last thing to do is we're gonna use the mothers. We're gonna spray it on this chemical guys microfiber pad. After you spray it on there, you rub it on the leather, and then after you rub it on the leather, you put it in there real good. Come back with a clean microfiber towel, like that over here. We're gonna buff it out. If you don't mind, like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos, let me know what you want to see. Comment at the bottom. And that'd be all. Tell them.
Oh, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what videos you